Good morning all of you. Now next video, you can see my thumbnail. This video is very interesting and very miracle video because my previous video is already uploaded in YouTube channel. This is related to electrical dipole momentum and electrical field axial and equator point are also find out. So today you can see the electrical potential due to a dipole momentum. So please be alert all of students, and please let's go now start the new point. Please my screen. Electrical potential due to a dipole. Now first point, at an axial point of a dipole. You can see this figure. This figure is very clearly. A point is maintained minus q charge, B point maintained plus q charge, and O point is the center point. So OA distance is the A and OAB distance is equal to A. It means OA and OB are equal distance. Now second, center point O, then the R distance be point P, then point P is to calculate the electrical potential. So AP distance is the AP distance is the R plus A and BP distance is the R minus A. Be carefully write down this figure. Now first point, write down first point. We consider two point charge minus q and plus q and separated by distance 2a. Total distance is the 2a. Let point P be on the axis of the dipole at a distance r from its center. So now AP is equal to R plus A and BP is equal to R minus A. Again repeat some sentence. Electrical potential is a scalar quantity. So scalar quantity only for maintain the magnitude, no direction. So point P not making a direction, only for find out the magnitude. So electrical potential V is equal to V1 plus V2. Now V is equal to K minus Q upon AP. K Q upon BP. Write down. Now V is equal to KQ, BP replaced by R minus A and minus KQ, AP replaced by R plus A. So V is equal to taking the common KQ and remaining portion 1 upon R minus A and minus R plus A. Write down. Now V is equal to q, k replaced by 4 pi e naught, and taking the LCM, r minus a, r plus a, r plus a minus r and plus a. So r cancel out. Now v is equal to q 2a 4 pi e naught, and here is the r minus a, r plus a. There is a simple identifier applied here. So r square minus a square. Write down, be carefully. Now p is the momentum, and p momentum is the direction is the negative to positive. So p is equal to q into 2a. Okay, and a square is less and less than r square. So next point, remove there. See, v is equal to q into 2a replaced by p. P is the dipole momentum, 4 pi e naught, and r square, because a square is the negligible, a square is the less than value. This is the created by the axial point. Now vector form, v is the scalar quantity, p is the vector, and 4 pi e naught r square. Write down. Making the box, and first equation are find out. Okay, now second point. Second is the equatorial line, because electrical field is also find out the equatorial line. So electrical potential, there is the negative charge and here is the positive charge, and separate 2a distance, and point P is the perpendicular direction and making a position vector r. So bisector is this dipole momentum, and here is the divided by a simple equal distance. So this distance is the AP, and BP distance is the r square plus a square, and here is the r square plus a square. Okay, but the electrical field is the making a some trigonometric component, vertical and horizontal component. So you can see in my previous video, the E sin theta and E sin theta both are equal and opposite, so cancel out, and E cos theta is the same direction, so adding, and EQ and E minus Q and E plus Q are equal magnitude, so 2 EQ cos theta in my previous video. Then find out the equatorial line of the electrical field. But the electrical dipole momentum not making electrical dipole momentum, then the equator point is the electrical potential is not making a trigonometry function, because the electrical potential is a scalar quantity. So only for find out the magnitude. So this magnitude is the V is equal to V1 plus V2. Okay, and now V1 is equal to KQ upon AP, plus KQ upon BP, and AP and BP is value are equal, so under root R square plus A square, because the point P is a perpendicular direction. Okay, so P is equal to minus KQ and AP replaced by R square plus A square, and KQ upon BP replaced by R square plus A square, both are equal and opposite, so cancel out. So electrical potential of the equator line is 0. Okay, write down. Now next point you can see in my thumbnail is very clear. At any point at any point at any general point due to a dipole. Okay, so first of all draw this figure. This picture is very carefully write down in your notebook, because this picture is very simple. A point is the minus q charge, B point is the positive q charge, both are separated by 2a distance, and O is the midpoint, is the making a position vector r, and position vector r is the making an angle theta. So point P is to calculate the electrical potential. Okay, now AP distance is the R1 and BP distance is the R2, and point B so perpendicular to AP line, and this is the making a right angle triangle, and base is the R1 minus R2, and hypotenuse AB is equal to cos 2a. You can see in the previous class 11 the scalar quantity is the making a point P. Just upon see this picture, vector A and vector B making an angle theta, then vector B is the perpendicular direction this. Okay, so this previous chapter work and energy, chapter number 6. Okay, so now making a cos theta. Okay, so same property are applied here. Okay, now B point is the perpendicular in AP line and BP AP line, so this create a point O, and OA is the base R1 minus R2, and AB is the hypotenuse, so value is the 2A, and OB is the perpendicular line. Okay, so first of all write down this figure. Now first point, we consider an electrical dipole consist of two point charge minus q and plus q, and separated by distance 2a as shown in figure. Point number 2, to determine the potential at point P at a distance r from the center O. The direction OP making an angle theta with dipole momentum. Okay, be carefully write down. Now third point, let AP is equal to R1 and BP is equal to R2. So electrical potential V is equal to V1 plus V2. Electrical potential V is equal to V1 plus V2. Now K minus Q AP and KQ upon BP. Understood? Now V is equal to 1 upon a 4 pi E naught, K replaced by, and Q upon BP replaced by R2 minus K replaced by 1 upon a 4 pi E naught and Q and AP replaced by R1. Now taking the common, Q upon 4 pi E naught and remaining portion R2 and R1. So V Q upon 4 pi E naught, taking the LCM, and R1 minus R2. Be carefully write down. This equation is the first equation. Now fourth point, if the point P lies far away from the dipole, then R1 minus R2 AB cos theta, it means making an angle OAP, OAB, and cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to OA upon AB. Okay, so and AB is equal to 2A, so R1 minus R2 is equal to 2A cos theta. Understood? And R1 and R2 is approximately R square, because R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R. This is main mechanism in this point. So R1 minus R2 is the approximately AB cos theta, because there is the B point is the perpendicular the AP line. So making an angle a right angle triangle. So triangle OAB. Now cos theta is equal to, why will find out the cos theta? Again repeat, the electrical potential is a scalar quantity. So cos theta AB is equal to A. Cos theta is equal to OA upon AB. So AB is equal to 2A, and R1 and R2 both are equal to R. So this value are find out. Now using equation first, and we have V is equal to Q 4 by E naught, and R1 minus R2 and R1 R2. Okay, so V is equal to Q upon 4 by E naught, and R1 minus R2 replaced by 2A cos theta, and R1 R2 replaced by R square. Okay, so V is equal to Q into 2A and 4 by E naught R square. P momentum is equal to Q into 2A. Write down, be carefully. Okay, so second, next point is V is equal to Q into 2A replaced by dipole momentum P cos theta 4 by E naught R square. Okay, and now vector quantity. So P momentum 4 by E naught R square R cap, because cos theta is the making a vector position R. So vector position R making angle theta. Okay, so now V is equal to 4 pi E naught R cube, because the R cap is replaced by R upon mod R. Okay, so write down this equation is the 2. Be carefully write down. Okay, now some special case are created there. Special cases. First special cases, when point P is lies on axial line, so making angle theta at an axial line, so making an angle theta is equal to 0 to 180. Okay, so now electrical potential positive and negative kq upon r square, या V is equal to positive negative q upon 4 pi E naught square r square. And second, at an equator line, then theta is equal to 90. So cos theta and cos 90 is equal to 0. So E axial and E equator is the 0 value considered there. Okay, write down, be carefully, and some discuss are there. Write down. Now some discuss. You can see in my previous video, so electrical field axial point KQ upon R cube या 2 kp upon R cube या 1 upon 4 pi E naught 2 kp upon R cube. But the E axial there in V axial, it means electrical potential axial is the kp upon R square. Okay, E equator is the kp upon R cube. It means 1 upon 4 pi E naught value is the p upon R cube, and E equator is the 0, because point P is the perpendicular direction, not making any component. Okay, so both are equal distances and making only for the magnitude. So magnitude are the positive and negative, so cancel out. So E equator, it means V equator is the V electrical potential equator line is the 0, but the electrical potential on axial point is the kp upon R square. So write down this conclusion. Okay, and next conclusion, write down difference between electrical potential of a dipole and a single charge. First point, the potential due to a dipole depend not only on distance r, but also on the angle between lies position vector of the observation point and the dipole momentum p. Full stop. The potential due to a single charge depend only on r. Single charge only for single charge or depend only for the distance r, but the dipole is not depend on the distance r, only for depend the making angle theta, then making angle theta is the position vector. Okay, now second point, potential due to dipole is cylindrically symmetry about the dipole axis. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डायपोल एक्सिस पर जो सिमेट्रिकल बनने वाला सिलेंड्रिकल सिमेट्री बनने वाली है. ओके, बट यू कैन सी इफ वी रोटेट द ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट P about the dipole, axis, the potential V does not change. It means potential V is the constant. Okay, full stop. The potential due to a single charge is spherical symmetry. And third point is very important point. At large distance, the dipole potential, at the large distance, the dipole potential fall off as 1 upon r square. But the potential due to a single charge fall off as 1 upon r. Okay, let me see. Electrical dipole potential is 1 upon r square, it means fall off downward, and single charge it means 1 upon r square. Okay, both are difference. Today's the topic is very interesting and very creative topic. So write down in your notebook, and I hope you doubts and any others point are solved out there. Anybody asking any questions, easily put up in your YouTube channel, then also find out. Okay, thank you. वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग और काफ़ी क्रिएटिव करके इसको बना रहा हूँ मैं, इसलिए इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट पास करें. Some messages are sending there because COVID-19 is very harmful virus. So all of students stay at home, making some points: social distancing, washing hand of a soap, and watching my video, because online classes is very creative. So please see and watching my video. Again, thank you.